to enable disable next and previous button, as well as the panel state change interaction, that is more important, and how we'll get the finally result as a slider with enable and disable buttons. So let's start. So in previous lesson we have seen the demo. Now we'll duplicate this demo because we need the same interaction, but in addition we'll enable and disable the previous next button. So here I place this demo. Now first we'll add the image. So here is image, it's placed here. Now the second image, and now it is third image we have placed. Just we have double click and we change that. So the state 1 is look not visible. So what we'll do, we'll make it little dark, and here, so it is fine here, and it is fine. So what happened, these guys are asking, hey, where are you? Just I am writing some text. So he's telling, hey, I am here. So it's little, we need to increase the background this. And the third state, so how it looks like, let's see. Hey, where are you? I'm here. Hey, I'm here. So it's fine. Now we'll select both and right click, style effect, and disabled. So in disabled, we'll give the fill color this, or let it this. Okay, and the most important, now we'll select this slider and we'll give the interaction as panel state changed. So panel state change, what used to do, here we'll select the slider, the dynamic panel. So enable case, add logic, panel state change. So state panel, if it is state 1, we'll say enable disable previous button. So previous will be disable in state 1, and the same will add case. If it is state 2, what will happen? Enable disable previous button, enable. The same way we can add case, and we say if it is state 3, enable disable next button, disable. So same, if it is state 2, enable disable, not previous, next. So next button, enable. Now we'll see the preview, what is happening. So in first state it should be disable previous button. We'll see next. Here the next button is disable, but here effect is now coming, but while loading it should be disabled. What need to do? just make this here interactions show all as a disabled. So while it is loading, it will be disabled. See, in state 1 it is disabled. Now it is enabled. State 3, this is disabled and this is enabled. But in state 1, now both going to disable. So how will write this here? In state 1, we have written here like disable previous button, add target, next as enable. You'll see this. So this is disable, previous, next is enable, and that also enable. Third, this disable, this is enable. Second and third. Now it's working fine. So here we can say can give so here three bodies are there. So animations, now while selecting this, if you want to select slider, and suppose if we have the right flame, and you can say this left flame, done. Will preview. So you can add animations as per your use, as per the theme. So how it is and what all things we have learned here. So we have added image to slider, and then we have given interactions, enable, disable previous buttons, and we have used the interaction of the panel state change, and finally we have the output. So try once, add image and add the interactions and the animation, and please let me know how is the lesson. See you in our next class. Thank you very much.